Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. So on behalf of the channel, we wish our viewers from India a very happy Republic Day. And on the channel today, we have nothing fancy in terms of difficulty, but Sudoku themed on the Indian Republic Day, created by the young and brilliant solver from India, Nityan Agarwal. So thank you Nityan for the Sudoku. And before moving on to the rules, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button below. We'll really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoy the content, please go ahead and subscribe. Moving on to the rules of the Sudoku, normal classic rules apply. Each row, each column and each 3x3 box will contain the digits from 1 to 9 without any repetition. Additionally, there are some arrow shapes given in the grid. The sum of the digits along the path of each arrow must equal the digit in the circle cell. Digits may repeat along an arrow. Okay, so as you can see, there are several arrow shapes given in the grid. So the sum of the digits along the arrow stem, so this is the arrow stem originating from the circle, will be equal to the digit in the circle, and digits may repeat along an arrow. If there is a 2-digit sum, digits are read from left to right or top to bottom as the case is. So there is only one 2-digit sum as you can see here, and you have to read the total from top to bottom here. So these are the rules. With that, we'll start solving this Sudoku. So in arrow Sudoku, the first step that a solver needs to do is to look at the longest arrows, or if you have lots of given digits, then you try to do something with the classic. But here there are no givens. You can see that bottom you have 2021, right, and at the top we have 26, right? So 26th is today and 2021 is the year. So this was the theme that Nityan had constructed a Sudoku upon. So when you have such a case where there are no givens on the grid, then it makes sense to look at the longest arrow on the grid. So you can see that this circle has the longest arrow. So this is a good place to start. So the minimum possible sum from these 3 cells will be 6, right? 3 cells, 1, 2 and 3. And you have 2 more cells, which will give you a minimum sum of 2. So 6 plus 2 is already 9, which is the maximum possible value that a circle can take. So you can straight away place the 9 here, and these 3 cells will be 1, 2, 3, and these 2 cells will be 1 and 2. So we have a 1, 2, 3 triplet here, which means 3 must be in one of these 2 cells, so this cell can't be a 3. So we get a 1, 2 pair, that's good. And we also have a 1, 2 pair in row 6. So what it does is that it increases the minimum sum in these cells to 7, right? The minimum sum here is going to be 3 plus 4 now. And we also have one more cell here, which will give us a minimum digit of 1, 3, 4, 3, 4. So we have already a minimum total of 8 from these cells, which means this circle can be 8 or 9. So this also means that we have a degree of freedom of 1, because the minimum total is 8, we can reach till 9, which means any of these 3 cells can increase in value by 1, which means this can be 1 or 2, this can be 3, 4 or 5, and this can be 3, 4 or 5, right? So again we have a 1, 2 pair here now, which means this cell will be a 3 and this is not a 3, so this is 1 and 2. Interesting. Now because of this 1, 2, 3 triplet, what it gives us is that these two cells increase in value to 9, right? Because the minimum sum now becomes 4 and 5 from these cells. So which is the maximum possible value that a circle can take. So this has to be a 9. And we know that we have 1, 2 pair here, and one of these cells must take a 3, right? Because if we don't have a 3 in these cells, then 4 plus 5 becomes 9 and the total becomes greater than 9 here. So which means that this cell will be minimum 4, this cell will be minimum 3 because of the 1, 2 pair, and this cell is going to be minimum 1. So we get a sum of 8 already from these cells, which means all of these cells can increase in value by 1. So they are going to be 4 or 5, this is going to be 1 or 2, and this is going to be 3 or 4. Fantastic. So all these corner pencil marks we can remove now. This will be removed. So we get a 4, 5 pair here. Okay. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentaple here. So remaining digits along the row are 6, 7, 8, 9. But this cell can't be a 9 because it's along the arrow stem, and arrow stems can never take a 9. unless it is a single digit arrow. 9 can never be on the arrow. So you have 6, 7, 8 here, which means this circle can be 7, 8 and 9, but 9 is ruled out, so this is not a 9. So which means that this is not a 8, this is 6 or 7, and this can only be 1 or 2, right? Because if you have anything more than 2 here, let's say you have a 3, then 3 plus the minimum value gives us 9 here. So this can only be 1 or 2, again we have a 1-2 pair. Really fun to solve Sudoku, guys, really fun to solve, and the theme is also nice to look at, right? So 9 in columns 4 and 6 give us a 9 in one of these 3 cells. And let's look at this arrow because it is comprised of 3 cells. So which means that it can be minimum value is going to be 6, 7, 8 or 9. But 6 and 7 are going to be immediately ruled out, guys, because if you have, let's say, a 6 here, this becomes 1, 2, 3, and you cannot satisfy the 6 using another way, right? So 6 is ruled out. And if you have a 7 here, 7 is going to be 1, 2, 4, and which means that you won't have any possibilities here. 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5 and 3 plus 4 are all ruled out, so 7 is also not possible. I think 8 and 9 are possible, right? Why did I change my color? Sorry. So 8 and 9 are both possible. If you have an 8, let's say you have an 8, this becomes 1, 2, 5 or 1, 3, 4. Can you have a 1, 2, 5 here? 1 plus 2 plus 5, which means this cannot be 1 plus 7, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5. Okay, 8 cannot have 1, 2, 5, but 8 can have 1, 3, 4, I think, right? Yeah, this can be 1, 3, 4 and this can be 2 and 6. Okay, so both 8 and 9 are possible because 9 will have even more options than 8. So both an 8 and 9 are ruled out, sorry, are possible in this circle. So let us look at this arrow now. I think rest of the arrows are not so easy to get some digits, but this looks very easy to look. Why is the case? Why is it that the case? Because we have a 2-digit sum here, which means that this can maximum be 1 or 2, right? You cannot have a 3 here because of the length of the arrows. There is a 2-digit arrow stem, there is a 2-cell long arrow stem, so you can't have a 3 here. And even 2 is also ruled out, because if you have a 2 here, let's say you have the minimum sum 21, then there is no way to reach 21 from 2 cells. So which means that this would have to take a 1, and this may be anything, right? Up to 17 this can be anything, because if you have 8 here, then again you can't satisfy 18 using 2-digit sum. So which means that this can maximum be 7. Okay, so we have 1, 2 here and 1, 2 here, which means that 2 in column 6 can't be in these 3 cells, so would have to be in one of these 2 cells, right? Now can I have a 2 here? Seems possible, but can I have a 2 here? If I have a 2 here, everything is possible, but I don't think we can have a 2 here, right? Because if you have a 2 here, for example, then the minimum value here becomes a 13, because you can't have 11 and you can't have 12 because of the 2 here. So the minimum will be 13, and 13 or any value above it cannot be satisfied by using 2 and another digit, because 2 plus 9 will give you maximum 11. So which means that we need to get the 2 here, because if it goes here we are not going to satisfy this arrow. So this is a 2-digit sum adding up to 12, and these 3 cells add up to 12 also, because this arrow is starting from the circle and again ending up inside the circle. So which means that these 3 cells add up to 12, out of which we have the 2 here, which means these 2 cells must add up to 10. Okay. Okay, I think now this 2 is helping us with this total. So if you remember, for the 8, we deduce that 1, 2, 5 cannot be here, right? Because then this can't be satisfied. We deduce that 1, 3, 4 has to be the case and 2, 6 has to come here, but now 2, 6 is ruled out. So let's say you have an 8 here. So this would have to be 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5 is ruled out, and which means this can be satisfied by using 2, 6 only, but 2, 6 is also ruled out now. So which means that that circle would have to take a 9. So these 3 digits sum to 9 and these 3 digits sum to 9, which means 18 plus 9, 27. So these 3 cells sum to 18 again. Okay, that is not a really helpful thing. So maybe we can look at this arrow, guys. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 9. So which means that this cell can be 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? It can be 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. But 4 is immediately ruled out because 1, 3 cannot go here because of the 1, 3 here. And 5 is also ruled out because if you have a 5, this becomes 4, which means 1 and 4 are ruled out because of 1 and 4 here, and 2 and 3 is also ruled out because of 2 and 3 here, right? So which means 5 is also not possible. So 6, 7, 8 is going to go there. Okay, so this is a slightly sharp reduction, guys. Can I have a 4 here? So what happens is that if I have a 4 here, my 4 in row 7 gets forced here and this cell becomes a 5, which means that 4 plus 5 is already giving me a total of 9, and we have one more cell in the arrow. So this total will be violated, which means that you can't have a 4 here. So this is a 3, and which means that 3 must be in one of these cells, but 3 can't go here because it's a single digit arrow, and whatever comes here has to go here. So 3 will be in one of these 2 cells. Okay, let me write the digits here. So it cannot be 1, 2, 3, 9. So 8 can't go here because the maximum here is 8. So which means that this can only be 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? Okay, so the maximum here can only be 4, 5, 6 or 7, or rather the values here. But look at this 1, 2 pair. This is doing something in this cell also, right? So can I not have a 3 here? So if I don't have a 3 here, both of these cells becomes 4, 5. And this becomes 9. Okay, I can still satisfy the total without the 3. Okay, but I can do something with the 9s in row 7. So look at this 9. This 9 removes the 9 from this cell. So this can only be 6, 7 or 8. And 9 is removed from here because of the 9 here. So 9 can't be in these cells, right? 9 cannot be in any of these cells. Because if you have a 9 here, then this becomes 9 plus 3 and you have a 3 here already. And you can't have a 9 here obviously because of the 9 here, and you also cannot have a 9 here because then this would be 1 to satisfy the 12 total. So 9 is ruled out from here, which means that 9 has only 2 options in column 7, one of these 2 cells, right? But 9 is also ruled out from this cell. So which means that you have a 9 in only one cell, row 4 column 7, and which means that 9 must be in one of these 2 cells. So these 2 cells must sum up to 10, can't be 1 plus 9, can't be 4 plus 6, so they are either 2 plus 8 or 3 plus 7, not sure at which is the case. Let us come to this 12 total. It cannot be 3 plus 9, so it's either 4 plus 8, but 4 is scarce, so which means it's either 4 plus 8 or 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, so 5 you have a 5 here, which means this is 5 and this is 7. So 4, 5, 7, 8. Superb. So we get a 4, 5 pair here now. Amazing, guys. What a beautiful solve path. Really good Sudoku. So because of the 4, 5 pair here, this cannot be 4 5, so this will be 6 7, which means the minimum value here becomes 7 8, and which means this cannot be a 3, so this can only be 1 or 2, it cannot be 3 or above, right, because of this arrow. 3 plus 6 gives 9, so this is 1 or 2, and now we have a 1 2 pair. Brilliant construction, guys, perfect Sudoku. So which means that 2 is removed from here. So because 2 is removed from here, this cannot be 8. So this is a 3 7 pair, which gives an 8 here. Wow, just wow, guys, superb, really fun to solve. So which means this would be 4, which means this is 5, this is 4, this is 5, and for this 9 total you get a 1 here, that gives a 2 here, that gives a 1 here, that gives 2 here. The Sudoku is on fire now. That gives a 1 here, a 2 here, a 1 here, this one gives a 2 here. Superb. So for column 7, only one cell, one digit left, which has to be a 6. And this 6 gives a 7 here and an 8 here. And 5 here removes the 5 from these cells. This would be 3 4, so 2 plus 3 plus 4 gives 9. This is a 9, which means this cannot be 7 and 9, so 6 and 8, and this is also 6 and 8. So we almost set the Sudoku on fire, like just one deduction, guys, one deduction. This 4 5 pair, I think, right, gave us a 6 7 here, which gave us a 1 2 here, and this 1 2 pair removed the 2 from here, which gave us a 3 7 pair, and we got digits in a flurry, right? Superb. So now you can't have a 7 here, that will give a 9, so which means this is a 6 and this is 8. So 2 6 8 9 1 3 5, so remaining candidates are 4 7, but we have a 4, so which means this is a 7, this is a 4. Very nice construction. So you have a 9 here, can't be 1 plus 8, can't be 2 plus 7, can't be 3 plus 6, so this is 4 5, and which means this 6 gives an 8, and that gives a 6. So there is a 4 logged in these two cells, 4 logged in these two cells, which means none of these 6 cells can take a 4, which means 4 in column 1 must go into one of these two cells, but 4 is in row 1, which means this is a 4, and that gives a 5 here to satisfy this 9 sum. So now 9 with 3 cells cannot be 1 plus 3 plus 5, cannot be 2 plus 3 plus 4, so it can only be 1 plus 2 plus 6. Those are the only possible sum options for 9. So 1 is here, this can't be a 1, 6 is here, this can't be a 6. 1 2 6 9 4 5, so these 3 cells must be 3 7 8. Okay, 5 here resolves this 5 4 pair, and which in turn resolves this 3 4 pair. So along row 6 now, remaining candidates are 6 and 7, but 6 here gives a 7 and a 6. Okay, so if you look at this box 7, 2 4 5 6 9 are the digits, and you can't have 8 in row 9, so this will be 8, and these 3 cells must be 1 3 7. So but 7 here removes the 7 from here, 3 here removes the 3 from here, and 7 again here removes the 7 from here, which gives us a 7 here. So 1 3 7 2 4 6 8, okay, remaining 5 9. So this has to be a 3 now, right? Yeah, this would be a 3. Okay, the only possible digit in column 4 is 8. So I think we can write some possibilities here, right? Both of these digits are same because it's a single digit arrow. It cannot be 1 2 3 8 9. So it can only be 4 5 6 7, but 4 5 are ruled out. So this is 6 and 7, and this is also 6 and 7. And now 4 has only one option in column in box 5. 4 has to go here, and these two cells must become 5 6 7. So we have a 5 6 7 triplet in column 4, so which means remaining candidates are 3 8, but 8 here gives us an 8 here, which means this is a 3, and this 8 resolves this 8, and this 3 gives a 3 here and a 7 here, and this 3 gives a 7 here and a 3 here. Superb, guys, really fun to solve Sudoku. Okay, 1 in row 3 has only one option now. One is in one of these two cells, and one is here and one is here, so this would be a 1. And now this can only be 2 3 4 7, right? 1 5 6 8 9, so 2 3 4 7, 3 is ruled out. So if it's a 2, this is a 3. 3 is also ruled out. So if this is a 4, this is a 5. If this is a 7, this is an 8. But 8 is also ruled out, right? Because of the 8 here, which means this is a 5, this is a 4, this is a 5, and this is a 9. So along column 9, remaining candidates are 2 and 7. But a 7 here resolves this 2-7 pair immediately. And the 7 here resolves this, means removes the 7 from here. So 1, 4, 7, 9, 5, 6 and 8, you have a 3 here, which means this is 3, this is 2, 1, 5, 7, 2, 3, 8. So remaining candidates are 4, 6 and 9. 4 in row 1 and row 3 gives us a 4 here, and this must be 6, 9. So where do we look at now? We can resolve this 1, 3 pair using the 3 here. So this is a 3, this is a 1, and 2 cells remaining in column 3 are 6 and 9, but 9 is here. So this is a 9, this is a 6, sorry, a 9 is here, which means this would be a 9 and this would be a 6, right? And which means this is a 7, this is a 7, this is a 6, this is a 5. And 3, 4, 6, 9, 1, 2, 7. So remaining digits are 5 and 8. 5 is here. So this is a 5, this is an 8. 5, 6, 8, 9, 3, 4, 7. Remaining candidates are 1 and 2. A 6 here. 6 is already removed from there, right? So let us look at this cell. 3, 8, 9, 1, 4, 5, 7. So it also can't be a 2. So which means this can only be a 6. So which means this is a 2, this is a 2, this is a 1, this is a 1, this is a 6, and that resolves this 6, 9 pair, and that resolves this 9, 5 pair, right? 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, 7, 8, so 5 and 9. And with that, we have completed the Sudoku and we have got the message that we have completed it successfully. What a wonderful solve this was. A really fun to solve Sudoku by Nityanth. We are extremely elated that Nityanth gave us this Sudoku, and we covered this on the channel today on Republic Day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me solve this Sudoku. If you guys have any feedback about the channel or about the Sudoku that we are covering, please let us know in your thoughts in comments. We have received some comments in the past which we are extremely happy to see. They had pointed out some improvements or some minor logical flaws in the solve. We are happy to see that you guys are noting it and pointing it to us, which will help us improve in the process. So thank you guys for doing that and keep doing it. Hope to see you all soon with a video. Take care until then. Bye bye.